Hi, my name is Dave Cole. I'm the CEO and founder of Hammer King Productions. We own King of the Hammers and Ultra 4 Racing, and we do racing all around the world, King of the Hammers being the big one. The barrier for our cars being faster than they are is the direct connection between the front and the rear of the car. All our cars are four-wheel drive because we're driving up huge rock walls. When they're mechanically connected, you can only drive those four wheels at the exact same speed. You can't do anything different than that. You take that to an EV technology, and I can spin the front wheels 10% faster, which makes the car straighten out, which makes the car climb better. I can do that just by programming it. It's instantaneous and it's easy. And for 5 years, I've had people that had great ideas. I've had 5 years of people that had great intentions, but I haven't met in the personification of Jake and then working with everybody I've worked with at Hypercraft, the answer of, it's a good idea and we can help you do that, and we are doing it. Really easy to say it's a good idea. It's a little harder to say, I'll be happy to help you. But the third thing is to say, I'm already doing it and I want to do it with you. Let's go. That's powerful. And that's where Hypercraft is at. They're not talking about doing something cool, we're doing it.